So guys, I make some stew chicken for my daughter, and we do this quick and fast. You know, we have to get her some food to carry back with her at college, so let's get into it. So we do a spoonful of green season, and we are going with some Maggi chicken season. Some Maggi all-purpose also. Slap your mama seasoning. Just a little paprika. I don't care when we go to shadow up on them. I'll just go in and rub up this. Right? Quick and fast. And we're gonna add some oil to the pot. So we're gonna drop the sugar. So we're gonna drop this in the oil. I'm gonna try to keep it as long as I can. So you guys can see the process. It takes a little time, but you have to have patience and you have to stand up over your pot, guys. Stand over your pot. Don't let it go away. Alright, we shall put this on a stand, you know. Alright guys, I try my best not to stop it. Put it up on my stand so we not fall onto it. Alright. Bear with me. Just want to keep it steady, and it's going to take a little time. So that's why I want to take it out of my hand. Alright, and remember guys, as I say, when you stand up over the pot, when you not leave it, because once you leave it, that's when everything just start happening. And when you miss the mark. Alright. The thing is now, you want the sugar to reach the color when you want the chicken to have. So if you want the chicken to have a light brown, this is when you put it in. If you want it to have a little darker brown color, you wait out a little bit more. Right, you can also stir it if you choose. You can leave it if you choose to. Most of the time I leave it because I don't really like when it go up on the spoon, because it kind of stiff on the spoon. And guys, turn the stove down low. Alright, the brown here, this color is what I like, the outer color. So I'm going to place the chicken in the oil now. You never hear me. But usually we leave it like this, maybe like a minute before we start turning, just to get the side that it is on to catch color. And just like that, you see that? You can also give it another minute, or you can just occasionally turn it until you get the color, or all sides of the chicken is the color that you love. And then you go in, turn again. Nice and crispy. Alright, so once me catch a color, like the color here, then I'll just cover the pot. Cover my pot, turn the stove, this step on 4, so my pot a 7 at the ice. So, I put it on 4. You can also put it on 3. Turn it down would be best for you, and just leave it, make it do its thing. Well, I say 5 minutes, about 15 minutes, you know. that up. Keep the pan medium and low and just let it finish cook. Go check on this again. It's after, but it's still up on low and me not add no more water. Me just make it a do thing. If you like a lot of gravy, me can't help you with a pot and add more water. Alright, you see the meat them a break off so we know it cook. So once you see the meat them like get tender, I know if you push this down it will just break apart. So you can use a fork too and test it. The scallion, thyme and onion to the pot. I leave the bell pepper them last. Guys, I don't really eat bell peppers, but because I create content, I'm gonna be honest, that is the reason why most of the time I use bell pepper. I'm not a bell pepper eater, but it just makes the dish look appealing, so that's why I tend to use it. So I'm gonna add the Irish potato. I will just leave the bell pepper them on the board. I'll go back here and go add that after. Right? Oops, sorry. And then we just combine that. I'm still not gonna add no water to it. You don't need no water to steam it, to cook the Irish potato. The steam will cook it. So I do that. I'll cover the pot. I'm gonna stir it up and show you. The thing is, you know, and the meat broke up too much, you know. I know I don't love no gravy. I don't like gravy. My daughter don't like gravy. So this is gonna work just fair. As I say, if you want more gravy, you can also go in and add a little. Now we're gonna add the bell pepper just to make the dish come alive. Alright, so we have red, green, yellow, and orange bell pepper. The spatula. And just combine it because the chicken them are broke up. No, but this look like it need little water. Alright, it's like how this to me look like it need a little water. So I add a little more. Alright, so I'm just gonna simmer this for like 5 minutes. I'm not do no more than 5 minutes because as I say, see the meat them are broke up. And oh Lord, will I meat to broke up? Don't ask me how much touch the pot cover.